train steps. There are various types of train steps. The first basic train step is making the sound of a train. Stamp, ball, ball, ball. Stamp, ball, ball, ball. Stamp, up, up, up. Down, up, up, up. And you can repeat to the other side. So we're going to take the left foot across to the right diagonal front. Stamp, ball, ball, ball. Stamp, ball, ball, ball. Twist on the stamp, turn back on the ball. Ball, ball, ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try a bit faster now. Right foot to the left diagonal front. So that's your first basic train. My favourite train step is you start with your foot under your knee. You're going to spring forward onto that foot. Shuffle to the side and spring back onto the foot that's up now, lifting the other one back to the start position. Forward, shuffle, back. Forward, shuffle, back. Forward, shuffle, back. Forward, shuffle, back. They stay on the spot. And although I'm saying forward, that helps you get your feet right. But as you get better, you won't have to feel the forward and back so much. So when you get better, they'll be on the spot more. But when you're learning, think of the forward and back, which will help sort your feet out. So, forward, shuffle, back. Forward, shuffle to the side, back. Forward, shuffle, back. Forward, shuffle, back. Now, a fun thing to do with this is start slowly, get quicker, and then slow it down again. That sounds like the train coming and going away again. So let's try. Do you see how much fun you can have with that? So don't forget to try it on the left foot as well. So we'll quickly do it on the left foot. So left foot up under the knee. Forward, shuffle, back. Forward, shuffle, back. Forward, shuffle, back. Forward, shuffle, back. That's the only one there is of that type of train. There's no doubles, triples, anything like that. But there is a little break you can do on the end. So if you only want to do them fast, you could have a finishing off step, which is a break. So these aren't time steps, but it needs a finishing off step, so we say a break. So let's do 2 trains with the right foot up first. Forward, shuffle, back. Forward, shuffle, back. Now the break is forward shuffle, spring shuffle, spring shuffle, back. Now you see where I'm saying the forward and back for the time steps, it'll help you with the break as well. Yes, that break does travel backwards. The time step part of it, if you like, the train bit doesn't, but the break does. So let's try it again. We normally do 2 trains and then the break, it just fits with the rhythm of the bars of the music. That's the reason why. You can, of course, just make the break in the dance if you want to. That looks quite fun. So right foot under, 2 of the trains and then the break. Forward, shuffle, back. Forward, shuffle, back. Forward, shuffle, chain shuffle, back. So try and say the words. Where I say change, that's a spring. So let's say it was spring this time. Forward, shuffle, back. Forward, shuffle, back. Forward shuffle, spring shuffle, back. Now that we change, so you know to change your feet. 2 of the trains first. Forward shuffle, back. Forward shuffle, back. Forward shuffle, change feet, shuffle, back. Bit faster. And. So twice through it sounds quite a nice little rhythm. One more time. And. Don't forget to try it on your left foot as well. There is also buffalo, which some people learn, which is very similar, but we make the train to the side. So we could do the train we've just done, travelling sideways, but for buffalo, we make tap spring, tap spring, tap spring, tap spring. So you can do that if you want. So let's do our normal trains to the side first, and then the break. So 2 times to the side, and then the break backwards. Now let's do it as buffalo. So remember that's tap spring, 2 times and then the break. Tap, spring, shuffle, up. Tap, spring, shuffle, up. Spring, shuffle, spring, shuffle, spring, shuffle, up. So remember, try it all on the left foot will go to the left. Have fun with those. Let me know if you've done any of those before. And don't forget to let me know what level tap you are. Then I can make some videos more geared to those that are subscribing and watching the channel. And also your age group is very important as well. I'd quite like to know about that. And also, are you a beginner tap dancer as an adult? Have you done it before as a child? Or are you just keen to learn? Let me know and tell me what sort of things you want. Would you like more combinations? Or do you just want each step separate? So, hope to read your comments soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.